Hello, this is Trent Smith for the National Weather Service of Missoula, Montana, doing the fire weather briefing for Thursday, August 2nd, 2018. Well, today is probably the most critical of all the fire weather conditions. We're looking at widespread, dry, breezy winds across much of the northern Rockies, particularly in western Montana. So multiple red flag warnings are out for the dry conditions and the winds across west central or east central Washington, northern Idaho, most of western Montana into other central parts of Montana. So it's a big dry conditions out there due to the breakdown of the ridge. Again, the red flag warnings for the northern Rockies is predominantly western Montana. But another area of concern is the isolated to scattered thunderstorms we're anticipating this afternoon across extreme southwest Montana. A few of these could be dry, so we could get a few new fire starts out there. Tomorrow is actually going to be somewhat of an improvement. We are seeing a cold front going to start moving through the area tomorrow, first impacting northwest Montana during the morning hours and then steadily pushing through. The one area of concern is southwest Montana, where it's still going to be dry and breezy during the afternoon hours. So a red flag warning has also been issued for Montana zones 110 and 111 for this. I mean, their RHs will probably get down into the low teens once again, and probably seeing wind gusts up to 25, maybe even 35 miles per hour in the higher terrain. But the remainder of the area will actually see cooler temperatures as temperatures drop near to slightly below normal for this time of year, so keeping those RHs up. But we will probably still have some breezy conditions out there, gust potential of about 15 to 20 on Friday. Come Saturday, we're kind of going to be in between systems. It's going to be significantly cooler. Temperatures are definitely going to be below normal on this day. Most areas are only going to be in the 70s and 80s, with humidities being in the mid-20s to mid-30 range. We are anticipating a few showers and thunderstorms across extreme northwest Montana, especially the Glacier Park area. Could have some thunderstorm activity, but feeling that it's going to be fairly isolated on thunder and scattered on actual showers. Sunday, again, looking at similar conditions. The activity will actually be a little bit more. This image isn't of the current thinking, but definitely is going to probably be extending a little bit more into western Montana. But temperatures are going to just warm oh so slightly, but still be below normal for this time of year, so not anticipating too many big impacts. And then come next week, Monday through at least Friday, we're anticipating the ridge of high pressure to be building back over the area. Very hot, dry conditions, strong thermal belts developing by midweek. We are not anticipating any kind of monsoonal moisture making its way up at this time, so there's no chance for any dry thunderstorms, but definitely is going to be a hot, dry week once again for the northern Rockies. So here's the summary threat matrix again for the next several days, starting tomorrow. Again, southwest Montana is our biggest concern. That's why we have the red flag warning out with the dry winds. Then Saturday and Sunday, really not anticipating too much of a threat. Southwest Montana is still just going to be slightly drier and a little bit more wind than the rest of the area. Monday appears to be a green day across the board, and then Tuesday just going to be hot, so above normal temperatures with the very dry conditions, and then those thermal belts potentially causing moderate concerns. The 6 to 10 day outlook continues to show the northern Rockies are going to have a better chance of above normal temperatures with a better chance of below normal precip for this time of year. There is a hint of a potential pattern change, but a lot of uncertainty on how that's going to move in, the timing, how it's going to affect the northern Rockies. So just anticipate still warm, dry conditions for at least the next 10 days. Our next briefing is anticipated for Sunday, August 5th. So if you have any questions before that, please feel free to give us a call at the numbers below or visit our website. Thank you.